Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is a rice dish which is easy to prepare, can be a lunch or dinner recipe, is lunchbox friendly and is a one-pot recipe. It is spicy and tangy and very tasty to have. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. So let's begin by sauteing the paneer in a little bit of oil until they are lightly brown and removing them into a vessel. Now in the same pan I've added some oil and into that goes bay leaf, fennel seeds, kalonji or nigella seeds, some cumin seeds and a little bit of peppercorn. And once it splutters, I'm adding in the turmeric powder and the red chilli powder. Now we'll just cook this on very low flame and add in some curd. Now we'll quickly mix the curd, make sure the flame is at low. And once the curd is mixed, we'll add in some lime pickle or green chili pickle to this mixture. Now mix everything together nicely and then add salt to taste for the dish. I've mixed the salt also very well. Now it's time to add the rice. I've used basmati rice here. You can use any kind of rice of your choice. I'm going to saute the rice for a few minutes in this mixture. And once that's done, I'm going to add in the fried paneer and some bell peppers of different colors. You can use any vegetable of your choice. I'm sauteing the vegetables as well with the rice. Now we're going to add some water to this. Mix everything well. And then bring the water to a boil. Cover the pan and cook it for 20 to 25 minutes on low to medium heat. Make sure you check on it in between. And you will have nice fluffy Achari paneer pulao ready. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.